If ChatGPT is showing you an error message, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest and most effective fixes step by step. These solutions are simple, beginner-friendly, and they can help you get ChatGPT working again in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful software tips and quick troubleshooting guides. Let's start with the fastest fix first. Press Ctrl+R to refresh the page. This is often all it takes when the issue is just a temporary glitch. A quick refresh can clear out small loading problems and get the chat working again immediately. In many cases, temporary glitches fix instantly, so this is always the first thing I recommend trying before anything else. If refreshing doesn't help, the next thing to check is your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can easily cause ChatGPT error messages, loading issues, or responses that never finish. Try switching from Wi-Fi to a hotspot, or from a hotspot back to Wi-Fi, depending on what you're using. If the connection still seems unstable, restart your router and give it a minute to reconnect. Once your internet is stable again, reload ChatGPT and see if the error is gone. Now let's move to the next fix. Start a new chat. Sometimes long conversations can get too heavy or break in the middle of a session, especially if the chat has gone on for a while or contains a lot of back and forth. If that happens, just click New Chat and begin again from a clean conversation. This simple step can solve strange error messages and loading problems caused by the current chat thread. If you're still seeing the error, clear your cache and cookies. Over time, stored browser data can become outdated or corrupted, and that can interfere with how ChatGPT loads. Go into your browser settings, open the privacy section, and choose Clear Browsing Data. Make sure you remove cached files and cookies, then reopen ChatGPT and sign in again if needed. This often fixes issues caused by old browser data conflicting with the site. Another great fix is to try Incognito Mode. Opening ChatGPT in an incognito or private browsing window can help you quickly test whether the problem is being caused by browser extensions, cache conflicts, or saved browsing data. Incognito mode removes a lot of those common issues from the equation, so if ChatGPT works there, you'll know the problem is likely with your normal browser setup. If incognito mode works, then the next step is to disable VPNs and browser extensions. Some tools, especially ad blockers and VPN extensions, can interfere with ChatGPT and trigger error messages. Try turning off your VPN first, then disable suspicious extensions one by one, especially any privacy tools, script blockers, or ad blockers. After disabling them, refresh ChatGPT and test again. If the error disappears, you found the cause. So to recap, if you want to fix a ChatGPT error message quickly, first refresh the page, then check your internet connection, start a new chat, clear your cache and cookies, try incognito mode, and disable VPNs or extensions if needed. Most users will find the issue is solved by one of these steps, and often it's the very first or second fix that does the trick. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy tech fixes, AI troubleshooting tips, and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.